Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your carrier plan supports tethering and that you have sufficient mobile data. This prevents unexpected blocks mid-task. Next, open Settings, go to Cellular or directly to Personal Hotspot, and enable the toggle labeled Personal Hotspot. Once done, set a strong WPA2 password so devices use encryption. This protects your data and prevents unauthorized use. Make sure the hotspot name matches your iPhone device name so you can identify it from the client device quickly. Now connect the client device. For Wi-Fi, find the iPhone SSID in the Wi-Fi list and enter the hotspot password. This is fastest for phones and tablets. Once connected, check the client shows an IP and internet access. If not, renew the connection by forgetting and rejoining. For a stable computer link, use USB. Plug in your iPhone, tap Trust, and enable Personal Hotspot. Your machine should recognize a new network interface. Alternatively, pair and use Bluetooth when Wi-Fi is unavailable. Finish by optimizing and troubleshooting. You should plug in your iPhone or enable low power mode while tethering to avoid shutdowns and watch data usage to prevent caps. If the client can't access the internet, first toggle Personal Hotspot off and on, then restart both devices. This clears temporary network glitches. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear misconfigured profiles, but note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. One key tip: verify carrier tethering permissions if you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.